So question number 3, we have two equations, 2x square minus 13x minus 189 equal to 0, 2y square minus 3y minus 189 equal to 0. So to know which is greater, x or y, we have to know the values. So we'll solve those equations. So we'll solve the first equation. So question number 3. So the first equation, so it is 2x square minus 13x minus 189 equal to 0. So the first step, choose the numbers according to the equation. So earlier we saw for x square coefficient was 1. So now you have coefficient for x square as 2. So product should be 2 into minus 189. So we'll have the minus sign outside the brackets. So product should be 2 into 189, and as you have minus here, write difference. Difference should be minus 13. So now to choose the numbers, product should be this and difference should be 13. So when you subtract these two numbers, it is not 13. So it should be some other pair other than 2 and 189. So we'll split these numbers. So 89 can be split into 21. So 9 into 2 is 18 and we have 21. So 8 and 1 when you subtract, unit place we get a 7. Here we have unit place 3. So we'll further split these numbers. So we need the unit place 3 when we subtract. So we'll choose 9 and 3, 27 product, and 2 and 7, 14. So 27 and 14 when subtracted gives you 13 and product is the same. So the numbers are 27 and 14, and as you need minus 13, give minus for the higher number and plus for the smaller number. So the second step is divide the numbers by coefficient of x square. So the numbers minus 27 and 14 are divided by 2 because coefficient of x square is 2. So now we have minus 13.5 and 7. So the third step, change the symbols. So minus 13.5, so it will be plus 13.5, the other one will be minus 7. So now values for x is 13.5 and minus 7. So we will write down here. Now we will solve the second equation and get values for y. So the second equation is 2y square minus 3y minus 189 equal to 0. So again the three steps, choose the numbers. So here we have coefficient for y. So product should be product of 2 and minus 189, writing the minus sign outside, And now as you have minus here, write difference. So difference of the two chosen numbers should be minus 3. So and as clearly 189 minus 2 is not 3, so we should have some other pair other than 2 and 189. So splitting this, so 9 into 2, 18 and 21. So when you subtract, it ends with 3 and also difference is 3. So the numbers are 18 and 21, and as you need minus 3, give minus for the higher number, plus for the smaller number. So the second step, divide by coefficients of y square. So the numbers 18 and minus 21 are divided by 2, because coefficient of y square is 2. So we get 9 and minus 10.5. Now change the symbols. The third step. So it is minus 9 and plus 10.5. So values of y we get as minus 9 and plus 10.5. So we'll write values of y here. And to choose the options, we'll place these numbers on a number line. So we'll draw the number line. So place 0 in the middle. So x has values 13.5 and minus 7. So assuming 13.5 is here, so we place one value x here, and the other one minus 7. So place x on the left hand side of the number line. And for y, so it is 10.5, so which is lesser than 13.5. So we place on the left hand side of 13.5. And y is minus 9, so which is lesser than minus 7. So when you check here, x is greater than y. 13.5 is greater than 10.5. So we have x greater than y. And 10.5 is greater than minus 7. So we have x less than y. So there is a contradiction. So it is clearly option E, where the relation cannot be determined. So answer is option E, where the relation cannot be established. So here, according to the working, it is clear that the relation cannot be established, and the answer is option E.